This video tutorial I will explain what is Amazon S3. Amazon S3 is like a huge online storage space where you can keep your files safely. Imagine Amazon S3 is like a giant digital locker provided by AWS that is available to you from anywhere in the world as long as you have internet access. Amazon S3 is like an online drive where businesses or individuals can store data safely and retrieve the data whenever it is needed. How does Amazon S3 work? First point is upload your files. You can store all kind of files like photos, videos, documents, or even backups of apps and websites. Second point is organize files in the buckets. We can think of buckets as a folders where you can organize your files. Each bucket has a unique name. Third point is access anytime, anywhere. Once files are stored, you can access them from your computer, phone, or any device with internet. Fourth point is share with others. You can also share files with others by giving them the link. Why Amazon S3 is popular? First point is safe and secure. Your files are backed up and protected by strong security measures. The second point is unlimited storage. You can store as much as you need, from a single file to millions of files. Third point is pay as you go. You only pay for the space you use, so it is cost effective. Fourth point is fast access. Amazon servers are super fast, making it easy to download or upload files quickly. To easily understand AWS S3, we will take a photographer scenario. Imagine you are a photographer. You take thousands of photos and videos. Your computer might not have enough space to store all of the photos and videos, and you might worry about losing your files if your computer crashes. So, what you can do is you can upload all your photos and videos to the cloud, which is nothing but online storage, and they are safe, secure, and organized in the folders. Folders is nothing but buckets, and you can access the photos and videos at any time, whether you are at home, on vacation, or at a client meeting. If your client wants specific photos, you can easily share them by sending a link. Who uses Amazon S3? Individuals to back up personal files or share data. Businesses to store website data, app backups, and company records. Developers to host files for websites, apps, or machine learning projects. Now we will see the conclusion. Amazon S3 is a reliable online storage service and it is scalable to meet your growing storage needs. Amazon S3 is a secure online storage service and it is having a huge, safe, and flexible digital locker for your files that you can use whenever and wherever you need it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video that you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.